continue watching this video for more details on this look. So first things first, you want to make sure that you have a flat braid pattern underneath your protective paper and your stocking cap. And then after that is done, you're going to sew the perimeter around and you would get this look. This is just me cutting off the excess paper and stocking cap from around the perimeter so that I get a flat, even surface. Next thing I'm going to do is just start placing my tracks one by one. And you don't want to add too many tracks because we're doing a bob. So you want to be very mindful that you're not adding so many tracks and then you have this thick install and it's just not cute. It's not attractive. It's hard to style. You don't want those problems. So make sure you have the right amount of tracks in your client's head. Every client has a different size head, so that means everyone won't get the same amount of tracks because everybody doesn't have the same size head. So you want to be very mindful of how you're placing your tracks and how many tracks you are putting in your client's hair. So this is just a very short video so you can kind of get an idea of how I style and start my quick weave process. Here I am just cutting away what I love. This is my favorite part to do. It's the best thing. So what I'm doing now is just giving her bob some shape. And I do a lot of retouching, recutting, going back in, making sure my lines are straight. They don't have to be perfect, but you want them to be able to lay. You want the bob to lay. Like, you ain't talking about the stack bob, but this is more like a blunt, even cut with a little bit of volume at the ends. So this is not a beveled bob, so no heavy bumps at the end of this bob, and the cut is very straightforward, so it's not many layers, but it's thinned out in the back to where it lays flat. So all the hair is laying flat, and you want to go with the shape of her head. That's how you cut your weave. You cut with the shape of your client's head. You see that? We're just going with her head. We're just going with the flow. We're not giving everybody the same blunt bob because it gotta fit your client's hair. She wouldn't look right with like a longer, like heavier. Like it's just too much. So I went with something more subtle and clean. So this part is very, very serious for me. I like my clients to be very still. And I don't like them to do a lot of moving when I'm doing this because I want to make sure that everything is laying the way that it's supposed to lay. I do a lot of this so that when it comes down to press it, bump it, all of that stuff, it's easy. It's just a 1, 2, 3 step. So cutting isn't hard if you have experience, but if you are unexperienced, I do not suggest that you do this at home. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Peace, and remember, anything's possible, people. Bye.